Hi guys, I'm here in Global Village. So, food trip tayo. Tara, check natin yung mga pagkain dito. Kasi nung nakaraan, di ba, tumambay lang tayo, nag-explore lang. Pero ngayon, food trip tayo. Okay? Check natin yung masasarap na spot dito. Pero number one, kung titikman dito, yung pangalan nito, yung Bosnian food na meat. So, come on, let's join. Bili muna tayong ticket. Ang ticket pala rito is 25 dirhams. So, bili tayong ticket and then let's explore the food. Yeah? Food trip sa Global Village. Paki-like, share, and subscribe naman, oh. Okay? At let's go.
Welcome to the newest episode of Coach Jabi Daily. Yan, so ngayon hindi muna tayo mag-gym. Cheat day ko ngayon, it's Sunday. So samahan nyo ako dito sa Global Village. Check natin yung mga panalong food dito, high protein meat. And explore this multicultural place here in Dubai. Explore natin mga spot, rate the food and the prices. So let's go, let's enjoy this episode of Coach Jabi Daily. Before that, please like, share, and subscribe my video. And come on, let's find out. Gutom na ako. Let's go.
First spot is steak and fries. So try natin tong French fries nila na may meat. Yeah. At pika-pika lang muna, no? Fasted state tayo. Di pa ako na kumakain mula kagabi. Sorry. My last meal was 3 a.m. So, lakad-lakad lang ako rito. Para na rin ako nag-cardio. Then, pika-pika lang muna. So, steak and fries first. Let's try it. And di mo mauubos yung mga pagkain dito. Sobrang daming pagkain dito. Talagang food tripan talaga. Kung ano lang makayanan ng tiyan, no? Tikim-tikim lang. So, pero ang pinaka-pinunta ko dito yung Bosnian house. So, it's a steak. And of course, I'm on cheat day, but we prioritize meat. Yeah? Protein. And let's go, let's taste this one. First bite. Meron siyang meat and fries. Cover up with cheese and that's it. Mayonnaise. It's good. Malambot. I rate it 8 out of 10. Steak and fries. How much? 40 dirhams ang isang order. Crispy and tender. Try this one.
Next spot natin, floating market. It's more on Asian food, Asian street food, mga grilled, more on Thai food. So of course, mahilig tayo sa Thailand. So try natin tong tahong with Thai sauce and some octopus. Let's go.
Guys, dito tayo sa second spot, which is the Bosnian house. Lagi ko itong dinadayo pag pumupunta ako dito. Sobrang solid nito. Nakaka-addict. Sobrang laki pa ng serving. Sulit na sulit yung 42 dirhams. Yeah? So, first meal natin to. Second meal. Let's go. So, focus tayo sa protein, no? Grabe, ba't wala kaya nito sa labas ng Dubai? Sana meron to sa labas ng Dubai para di na ako dadayo dito, no? So, let's go! Ito siya, may bread and nakabalot siya sa bread. Parang, see? With bread, onion, sauce, and cheese. That's right. Speechless. Medyo bisang laban, Aryan. Bosnian Aryan. Total price is 42. So, sobrang sarap. Try nyo. Next, try naman natin tong octopus. Lasang pusit. Ang tigas. Ako. Ang tigas. Dami natin tong tahong. Buko juice from Coco by Col. Panalo, partner ng Bosnian, ano ba? Kebab. Partner siya ng Bosnian kebab. BJ. Buko shake, sorry, buko shake. It's not buko juice, it's buko shake. BS. Bullshit. Guys, natatay na ako, no? Cut ko na tong vlog. Hindi ako pwede pang food vlog. Wala. Busog nga ako, guys. Bruh, I'm so full right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so full right now. Parang hindi ko na kaya kumain ng ang isa pang meal. Damn! I want to go to toilet. So, let's try some dessert. And, bro, I'm so full, bro. Let's see, ano pang makakain dito. Let's go.
Since ako'y busog na, hindi ko na kaya kumain pa ulit. So, babalik na lang ulit tayo dito sa Global Village. Sa ngayon, enjoy na lang natin tong wonderful view of this amazing place here in Dubai. So, samahan nyo ako next time. Ikutin natin tong Global Village. Sumakay tayo sa mga rides at explore natin din yung mga dessert nila. Sorry guys, hindi ko na kaya. Kailangan ko na umuwi. Masakit na yung tiyan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you sa next episode ng Coach Jabi Daily or Coach Jab Daily. Please paki-share and see you in the next episode. God bless. Let's go.